Morning, everyone. It's Wednesday morning around 8:25, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 647. And as you can see, the screen on the chart is Bitcoin, which has an inside day today, although it's up about 2,000, and an inside day tends to be inconclusive, but not really unexpected after you have a $10,000 range from just under 45 to just around 55,000. So, I think that what's moving the markets here this morning is just a little bit of calm. No overwhelming news in either direction after yesterday's bounce back rally off the lows. Okay, as I mentioned last night, we tried to buy some floor FLR. It's up again a little today. It, from my perspective, is one of the better infrastructure plays, and I may do a special report on it over the weekend. Earnings-related news, plenty of it. Yesterday afternoon, we had Toll Brothers, which was a beat both top and bottom line. The stock is trading 55.5, up a quarter today, but the stock has been substantially higher in the last several months, so a little bit of a rest here is certainly not a problem. We also had TJ Maxx, which was kind of a surprise. It was a miss, both top and bottom line. Evidently, they still have a bunch of stores that are temporarily closed, both here and around the world. The stock closed 70.23, traded down to 66.23 on the news, but has since rallied back to about 68.5, which is down about $1. We also had Bausch Health. This is the old Valiant. Bausch is primarily an eye care business. The company beat on earnings and missed on revenue. The stock had closed at 31.57, moved up to 32.50, currently 32.05, up 70. LNG, Cheniere Energy, missed top and bottom. Stock is pretty much ignoring it. It's up 50 cents at 70. Lowe's with a beat top and bottom line. 173.12, up 4.53 or 2.7%. Square yesterday was a beat on earnings, but a miss on revenue. There was also talk about the fact that they increased their Bitcoin holdings by 170 million, which in yesterday's market was not a great thing, considering what Bitcoin did. The stock closed 256.59 and is currently trading 247, down 9.59. Overstock, a beat top and bottom, but the stock has been rallying pretty hard with the Bitcoin. It closed at 88.14, and this morning on the news, traded all the way down to 75.11. Last is 80.76, up 8.24. So we have that. Also, Mstr Microstrategy. I've mentioned this one pretty often. It bought another 1.02 billion Bitcoin. I don't know if this is part of the $1 billion that it raised to buy it, or if this is a separate purchase. But the stock closed yesterday down 166 at 780, and this morning it's 737, up 24. But as I said, it has already traded 780. We also had GameStop losing its CFO. Information is somewhat sketchy. At first, they just said he was resigning. This morning, they're talking about he didn't resign, and the company fired him. So we'll see how that breaks out. Kathy Wood said she bought another 124 million of Tesla yesterday. She's really been a pro. The stock, if you recall, I mentioned last night, was down to 619 and closed at 698.84. That was down 15, and this morning it is higher again. Okay, so around the world we have Asia down, Europe mixed, and as far as economic news, we have home sales and mortgage applications, but they don't come until after the market opens, and we have Chairman Powell at the House Finance Committee today for more questioning. As far as the markets go, the Dow looks to be up about 30. It was up over double that. NASDAQ is up about 40, and the S&P, which was up about 16 or 17, is now showing only up 9. As I said, the chart here on the screen is Bitcoin. It's had this gigantic run, but it is looking to me like it could pull back at least to 42,000. So we'll look at that as it happens. In other futures, we have the oil is back up about 38 cents at 62.06. It was higher, 62.5 or so. Heating oil is about unchanged, as is gasoline, up a penny each, and nat gas is down 3 cents. No opens on a lot of the ones that we trade. Coffee, for example, it was up 3.85 yesterday. It looks down 50 cents right now. The dollar is up about 12 cents. Bitcoin up 21.40, and unfortunately, the bonds are lower. It looks like I'm going to have to take a loss on that and get out of that trade. All right, everyone, have a good day. I'll be back in the evening.